Listen to me carefully, because we need to have a serious talk about your hard-earned retirement money. You are either at the finish line or you are standing right on it, looking into your golden years. And you have a question on your mind: does Netcoins have a mobile app? Yes. It absolutely does. You can go right now to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, and you will find the Netcoins app ready to download on your phone. But before you press that download button, before you transfer even one single dollar of your retirement nest egg into it, I want you to stop, take a deep breath, and look at the bigger picture. Because this isn't just about whether an app exists on your phone. This is about your financial security, your peace of mind, and the protection of the money you worked 40 long years to build. I know exactly what is happening here. You look around, you watch the news, and you see all this talk about digital currencies, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. And what happens? Fear sets in. The fear of missing out. You think to yourself, am I being left behind? Should I be putting some of my retirement funds into this new digital world just to keep up with inflation? And then comes the second fear. The fear of technology itself. You worry that if you don't do it on a mobile app, it's going to be too complicated, or that by using a mobile app, you might press the wrong button and watch your money vanish into thin air. You are caught between the fear of missing a trend and the fear of making a catastrophic financial mistake. Let's address the truth about Netcoins. It is a regulated Canadian crypto exchange, and their app is designed to make buying digital currency incredibly simple. They offer things like instant account funding and 7-day-a-week customer support with real human beings, which I love, because you know how I feel about talking to automated bots when your money is on the line. But simplicity is a double-edged sword. Just because an app makes it easy to buy something does not mean you should buy it. When you are in retirement, or about to enter it, your number one priority is no longer wealth accumulation. It is wealth preservation. You do not have the time to recover from a 40 or 50% drop in an unregulated, highly volatile asset class. If you put $20,000 into a volatile market today via a shiny, convenient app on your phone, and it drops by half next month, how is that going to affect your ability to pay your monthly expenses? How is that going to affect your peace of mind? So if you are going to use the Netcoins app, you must do it with strict, unbreakable guardrails. Here is your actionable takeaway, and I want you to write this down. If you want to download the Netcoins app to explore or learn, that is fine. But you are never, ever to invest more than 1 to 5% of your total investable net worth into cryptocurrency. If you have a $500,000 portfolio, your absolute maximum exposure across the board is $5,000 to $25,000. It must be money that, if it completely disappeared tomorrow, your lifestyle would not change, your retirement date would not move, and you would still sleep like a baby at night. Next, do not leave your money sitting on any exchange app permanently. If you buy an asset, learn how to move it to a secure wallet. And finally, before you fund any account, test that customer service. Send them an email or call them. Make sure you feel safe and supported by the platform before a single dime leaves your bank account. The Netcoins app is just a tool. It is a delivery vehicle. But you are the driver of your financial destiny. Do not let the convenience of a mobile app blind you to the reality of investment risk. Protect your security, protect your family, and protect your money, because nobody cares more about your financial future than you do.